So today I am going to discuss on Java basics. So you know about Java a little bit. Okay. So here in the OA framework, when it comes to OA framework, we are using the Java syntaxes. But here we are not writing the Java code, but only we are using Java syntaxes. We are following the Java syntaxes. Okay. So are you there? Everyone is there now?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Okay. So anyone, what is the meaning of class? Any idea?
Sir, class is a user-defined data type which is used to define all the methods, attributes, what we are going to use in the class. That is prototype. What type of class is there? What method, functions, attributes? These are collections.
Correct. So exactly class is a collection of functions and libraries, variables, collection of functions, libraries and methods. Okay. So example, if you take the API, what is mean by API? In PL/SQL we have APIs, right? In Oracle Labs we have APIs, right? If you click the API name dot, and what it should show?
Sorry, sir.
So we have APIs, right? PL/SQL APIs in the Oracle Labs.
Yes sir.
So when I read the API and click the dot, what it should show?
Issue collections of classes and its methods and properties.
No, I am talking about PL/SQL API. We have a PL/SQL API right in Oracle Labs.
Package.procedures, sir, method.
Yeah, procedures. It is going to show procedures and functions, right?
Yes, sir.
Same way here also, Java also we have a collection of classes is there. When I read the class and click the dot, so it should show a list of methods into that list of methods and functions. Okay. In the Java classes also we have a n number of classes there, but when I read the class and click the dot, automatically it should show the list of classes, list of methods and functions. So each and every method will do some functionality. Okay. So next, when it comes to the object refers the class. Object refers the class. Okay. So means whatever you create the class, you are going to create one object for that. Means when you are using the code, you are using the object name. You are not using the class name every time. Means the object will be reusable into your code. once you define the class with the object will be, you can use anywhere in the application, anywhere in the class file, anywhere in the class. So I'm going to give example for that object class method. Clear now? Object means,
Sir.
okay, example I'm going to tell, if you create a table, you are going to give the alias name, right? When you link the two tables, you are going to give the alias name, right? What do you mean by alias name?
Represent the table, sir.
So alias name will give the see, alias name, what you can use, you can use the joining for another table to another table and that table to this table, right? So object is the exactly meaning is alias name of the table. When you create the table, you are going to give the alias name, right? Example, select the star from employee and DPT. Employee you can give the E and department you can give the D, right? E.dpti is equal to D.dpti, right? Same way here also object will work as the same like a alias in the table. So, but with the use of object, you can write the code. Hope you clear object.
Yes, sir.
Akshay, Lohita, any question on that?
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
Okay. So method means, like example is public void test. This is the method. So here we are going to declare the variables xx test t is equal new test, like this. Means xx test is the class, t is the object name, new test is the initialization of the class. New xx test is the initialization of the class. Okay. When you are using the code, you are using the if you want to initialize the class, you can use the t dot set name, like this. T dot set property. Is it clear? So here xx test is the class, t is the object, new xx test is the initialization of the class. When you are using the code, you are using the t dot and t dot set property, everything. Means every time you are going to use the with the object reference only. You are not using the directly class. Means one method you can declare the classes, objects and variables. Hope you clear not in minimum method. Okay, method contains collection of classes and collection of objects. You can use that object with the reference of the class, and you can declare the variables and everything. You can put it inside the method.
Okay, sir. That is basically constructor, sir. To allocate the memory to the object.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next, inheritance. So inheritance means, suppose you created the one class was, you created the class name is the public void xx class. You created that class. Okay, you write some code for that. You write some code, something, huh? Suppose this xx class is the right. This xx class is the right. I want to use this xx class in another method. Public void new xx class extends xx class. What it does? Tell me. public class, new access class extends exec class. What is the meaning of that?
This class will contain the method of the previous access class and all the properties. That is the meaning of inheritance.
Correct.
Base class properties will be hold.
Yeah, base class properties will be inheriting to the new class. Means whatever the functionality is in the old class, that will be inheriting to the new class. Means this is the call we have to call as the inheritance. So this type of methods we have to call as the inheritance. Any question on that inheritance? Means suppose you created one old class, that functionalities you wanted to implement to another class. Like example, parent and child. Means so without parents we don't have childs, right? Same way. So without parent class you cannot have a child classes if you want to inherit that functionality. Clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see examples for that. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
We'll see examples for that. So these are all Java, some concepts under Java, but when it comes to the